Scones are really nice with a cup of coffee or tea or as a snack. And I'm going to show you how to do date scones. For this recipe I'm using 130 grams chopped dates, 50 grams butter softened, 2 lemons. These are very tiny lemons, that's why I'm using 2, if not use 1 large lemon, and 360 grams self-raising flour. If you are using plain flour, make sure to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder with half a teaspoon of salt. 75 grams sugar. You can totally omit sugar from this because the dates are sweet too. 1 egg and just a pinch of bicarbonate of soda and enough milk to fill this cup. I'll show you how to do it. So let's start doing this. Separate the egg, leave aside. Squeeze the lemon into the cup. Now into the cup add the milk to make it 1 cup. So this makes buttermilk. Into lemon, if you put milk, it becomes buttermilk. To do the scones, food processor is the best. So add the flour into a food processor, or hand knead this, or you can use a mixer too, but over mixing the scones makes it bad. So into the flour add the sugar, into that add the egg yolk. Better to use the pulse than a normal start. So after, add the butter. Pulse it again. Now I am going to add the pinch of bicarbonate of soda. Now going to add the buttermilk. And it's ready, take it out. Put the scone mix onto the table or a bench. Now into that add the dates. So using your fingertips, just mix it to the flour. Bring them together. At this point the oven has to be 180 Celsius preheated. You don't overmix this, just bring all the pieces scattered everywhere together. So let's take a baking paper and put the mix on top. Now press down. The easiest way to do is to cut it across like triangles. Now cut across the dough. It depends how you like it. If you want it cut into 2, I'm going to cut it into 3. When making scones, my trick is I leave it outside about 15 minutes before putting it in the oven. So the scones are ready, and let's divide it, and this is how it looks like. So it's a real nice soft sweet scone that you can try at home. Hope you will enjoy this. Thank you for watching.